Good morning, student.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking me. So, before we start our activities today, let's pray first. Okay, I will lead the prayer. Let's pray. Pray and. Okay. Let me to check your attendance first. Chandra? Yeah. Mesya? Bunga? Amanda? Okay, good. So all of you attendance this class, right? Before I continue to explain about the material that what we are going to discuss today, I would like to tell you a little about the activities that we are going to do in this meeting. The first, I would like to tell you and explain to you about asking and offering help expression, and also how to accepting and refusing the help. And then after that, I will divide you into two groups. Each group consisting of 2 students. Okay, and then I will give you the worksheet. Okay, that's all about the activities today, and I will start the discussion with asking you a question. Have you ever heard or do you know about what is the asking and offering help expression?
Miss.
Yes, Chandra?
Offering help adalah menawarkan bantuan pada orang lain, sedangkan asking help adalah meminta bantuan pada orang lain.
Ya, betul sekali. Jadi asking help itu adalah asking help itu adalah meminta bantuan kepada orang lain, ya. And then the offering help, menawarkan bantuan kepada orang lain. Jadi the next question is, in what situation you usually asking and offering help to your friend or people around you? Ya, Bunga?
Dalam kesulitan.
Yeah. We ask and offering help to our people around us when we are in a difficult situation. How about the others? Ya, Mesya.
Di saat kita tidak bisa melakukan sesuatu hal
Sendiri. Ya, betul sekali. When we cannot do activities or something alone. So that's why we asking and offering help to other people around us. Okay? So, the next question, why asking and offering help are very important in our life? Ya, Amanda?
karena kita adalah makhluk sosial.
Yeah, that's a good answer because we as a social human. How about the others? Ya, Chandra?
Untuk menjalin hubungan pada orang lain.
Ya, betul sekali. So, to build the relationship with other. So, that's why itulah mengapa ya Tuhan itu menciptakan kita itu saling berpasangan. Seperti contohnya saja suami istri itu kan berpasangan kan. Karena kita manusia itu memiliki kekurangan dan kelebihan masing-masing. Jadi kita itu harus saling tolong-menolong untuk melengkapi kekurangan kita itu. Ya? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. If you understand, I will ask a question. Do you know the example of asking expression? Satu deh dulu, asking expression aja dulu. Ya, Bunga?
Can you help me?
Ya, bagus. How about the others? Ya, Amanda?
Could you please help me?
Ya, bagus sekali. Jadi, there are a lot of expression that we can use when we asking help to other people. As Bunga said before, ada can you help me? And then yang kedua itu ada could you please help me? Another example, we also can use can you give me a hand? Ya, seperti itu. Jadi itu merupakan salah satu example of asking help expression. So the second, how about offering help expression? Yes,
Okay.
Sandra?
Can I help you?
Ya, bagus. How about the others? Can I help you?
May I
Mesya?
help you?
May I help you? Ya, bisa juga. Terus another example, kita juga bisa bilang what can I do for you? Ya. Jadi ada can I help you? May I help you? What can I do for you? Ada juga would you like to help me? Bisa juga. Ada juga could you please help me? Bisa juga. Lalu how to accepting the offering help. Bagaimana kita menerima tawaran itu? Kita bisa mengatakan yes. Misalkan example-nya saja, can you help me menawarkan bantuan misalkan ya. What can I do for you? Misalkan seperti itu. Kita jawabnya bisa yes, of course. Can you help me to bla 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 bla. Misalkan can you help me to bring the books? Can you help me to clean the blackboard and something like that. And then bisa juga jika kalian mau refusing atau menolak bantuan itu, kita bisa bilang I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Mungkin kalian bisa karena kalian sibuk, jadi kalian bisa ngomong I'm sorry, I cannot help you because I am busy. Something like that. Okay? So, oh yeah, do you know what the difference is between may and can?
No.
No? Okay. The difference is between may and can. We use may when we talk to older people. Ya, kita menggunakan may itu berbicara dengan orang yang lebih tua, ya formal. Dan juga untuk misalkan kita bertemu dengan orang asing, kan kita belum kenal, jadi kita bisa menggunakan may atau bisa could juga bisa, karena itu lebih mengapa kita menggunakan may, karena itu lebih sopan. Jadi may itu politeness than can. Terus kita menggunakan can itu when we talk with our friend. Sifatnya informal, karena contohnya kita ngomong dengan sahabat kita sendiri, dengan teman kita sendiri, kita menggunakan can karena kita sudah akrab. Ya. Okay. Do you understand now about asking and offering help?
Yes.
Okay. As I said before, after I discuss it with you, after I explain to you about asking and offering help and how to accepting and how to declining or refusing, I will give you the worksheet. But before that, I will divide you into two groups. The first group is Bunga dan Amanda. The second group is Chandra dan Mesya. Okay, ini untuk first group, ini untuk second group. Kalian bisa jawab di sini ya. Tolong dengarkan instruksinya ya. Tolong baca instruksinya dengan baik. The first, you have to put the name of your group. Jadi untuk grup 1 isi grup 1, untuk grup 2 isi grup 2. Okay. And then after that, identify which one is the sentence of asking and offering help expression in the dialogue below. Artinya kalian itu harus mengidentifikasi yang mana termasuk kalimat yang asking help, meminta bantuan, dan offering help, menawarkan bantuan. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to discuss it with your group. 1, do you have problem?
No.
Okay, good. Jadi udah bisa ya, gampang kok. Kalian sudah mengerti, jadi gampang ya.
Could you bring some no. Is
Group 2, do you have problem?
no.
No. Okay, good.
There anything can you bring bring
Group 1, have you done your work? Okay, good. Group 2?
done.
Okay, I will do. Are you ready to present your discussion? Yes. For group 1, I will ask the group 1 first to present your work. Go ahead, Amanda.
Asking help. Could you bring me some help?
Ya, betul. Di grup 2, apakah kalian juga sama dengan grup 1?
Ya, sama.
Ingat, ya, tuh. Cuma satu? Yang kedua?
Yang kedua, okay. Can you bring me some sugar?
Ya, betul. Grup 2 bagaimana?
Sama.
Okay. How about offering help? Expression.
Sure. What can I help you, sir?
Ya, tuh. Lalu? Yang kedua?
Okay, sir. Is there anything can I help you with?
Okay, good. Jadi, in this dialogue ada dua ya.
Ya.
Ada asking help dan ada offering help. Oke, untuk grup 2, kalian bisa presentasikan juga ya, baca hasilnya.
Oke, langsung ya.
Ya,
Offering help yang pertama. What can I help you, sir?
ya betul. Jadi sama ya dengan
Ya,
grup satu.
sama. Asking help-nya, could you bring me some salt? Terus yang kedua, offering help yang kedua, is there anything can I help you with? Asking yang kedua, can you bring me some sugar?
Ya, betul.
Sama.
Jadi, so the one of the group have already answered the same answer. Ya, jadi jawabannya itu betul sekali ya. Jadi, in this dialogue there are two sentences yang termasuk asking help. Yang the first sentence itu yang asking help itu adalah could you bring me some salt? Ya, itu termasuk asking help yang pertama. Terus yang kedua, asking help yang kedua itu can you bring me some sugar? Terus yang offering help pertama itu sure, what can I help you, sir? The waiter said that. And ya, itu offering help yang pertama. Dan yang kedua, waiters also said, okay sir, is there anything can I help you with? Itu offering help yang kedua. Jadi, in this dialogue, there are two sentences of offering help expression. And then there are two sentences of asking help expression. Do you know is there expression accepting or declining help? No?
No.
Okay. Uh, untuk yang waiter yang paling bawah, waiter paling bawah itu termasuk accepting expression, ya. Termasuk dia menerima menerima bantuan menerima bantuan dari Mr. Jack, karena Mr. Jack meminta waiter untuk membawakan dia gula. Jadi waiter itu menjawab, "Okay, I will bring it to you now." So it's mean this sentence is dia menerima atau accepting help. Okay. Untuk declining di sini tidak ada ya. Berarti di sini tuh ada offering help, asking help, sama accepting help. Oke. Kita beri tepuk tangan dulu untuk kedua guru sudah melakukan diskusi dengan baik ya. Oke. I think that's all about our meeting today. But before we end this class, who want to summarize or menyimpulkan? Who want to summarize the lesson today? Ya, Chandra.
Boleh baca Bu ya?
Ya, boleh. Berarti kamu mencatat ya tadi? Iya, bagus.
Asking and offering help, and also accepting and refuse help, and the important asking and offering help in our life.
Okay, jadi we have already learned about asking and offering help expression, and also we learned about why asking and offering help are very important in our life. So for example, the example of asking help that we learned before, the example-nya itu, contohnya itu meminta bantuannya itu seperti can you help me, could you please help me, and also can you give me a hand. Itu contoh dari asking help. Jadi yang selanjutnya untuk contoh offering help itu ada what can I do for you, what can I do for you, and setelah itu can I help you, may I help you, itu ya. Dan juga untuk menolak bantuannya itu kita bisa bilang I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Ya, contohnya kalau kalian sedang sibuk bisa bilang I'm sorry, I cannot help you because I am busy. Terus untuk menerima bantuannya kita bisa bilang of course I can help you. Bisa juga bilang yes, it's my pleasure. Ya, seperti itu ya anak-anak. Jadi meeting hari ini kita sudahkan dulu. Nah, untuk next week we will discuss about the apologizing expression, and I hope you learn it, the apologizing expression. Kalian bisa menggunakan buku untuk belajar atau bisa mencari di internet ya. Before we discuss it next week, you have to learn it first, okay? Okay. Yeah, because we start this meeting with pray, and we also end this meeting with pray. Okay? Okay. Let's pray. Pray and. Okay. See you next week. Goodbye.
Bye.